Hello, dear friends. Welcome back to another episode of Felix and Virginia YouTube channel. So, in our today's episode, we are going to talk about the budgeting ratio, the 50-30-20 rule. So, we'll start with the first thing. Why do we need a budget? So, why we need a budget is to have control of our money, and the budget tells us where should our money go, and also you can go back in time and see where did I spend my money. So when you are having a budget, you almost really have total control of your money, and also it helps you to never spend more than you earn or more than you have allocated. So in our today's episode, we are talking about budgeting ratio, 50-30 rule. But the 50-30 rule is the most famous one, but we have the 70-30-10 rule, where these ratios are divided according to your needs, two according to your needs, wants, and third according to your saving and investments. So maybe we start with the 50-30-20 rule. So the 50% of your income is supposed to go to your needs. By needs, I mean these are things that you definitely cannot live without. So these are money, house, water, food, clothes. Those are the things. So when you the first thing you are supposed to do when maybe you are budgeting is to have a list and have a category of needs, and you list all your needs, the things that you definitely cannot live without. So once you list all your needs, they are not supposed to maybe go beyond 50%, but sometimes it go beyond 50%. But the goal of this video is to maybe to categorize this money so that you can see whether your money is sufficient enough. So once you have categorized your needs, then you go to your wants. So your wants is maybe you want to buy a new iPhone, and you are planning it to buy by saving slowly. You will have to budget 20% of your income to go to buying a new phone or anything that you desire and you can definitely live without. The 30% goes to your wants. So you will have a list of wants, then list each and every item. Then we go to the 20% of your income. In 20% of your income, you will list your saving as 20%, and also maybe as investment or loan repayment 10%. So that is the 50-30-20 rule. But also you can have the 70-20-10, where 70% goes to your needs, then 10% goes to your 20% goes to your wants, and when 10% goes to your saving. So those were that is the end of this video about 50-30-20 rule. And also you can research further about this. We have mini budgeting ratio, and the goal of this ratio is to if you give a lot of money to your friends, maybe this budgeting ratio gives you a limit on what you are supposed to give. And if you spend a lot of money, it also tells you the limit of spending, And also if you save a lot of money, it gives you a limit on where to save. So I think that is the meaning, the importance of having a budgeting ratio. So now we have come to the true end of our video. If you have not yet subscribe to this channel, and we will also link a video about the richest man in Babylon. You can definitely check it here, and we will also link a business playlist. You can check various videos that we are talking about business. So till next time, bye.